If you've never tried a persimmon before, they're absolutely delicious. So the way you tell if they are ripe or not is you want them to feel kind of like a tomato when it's ripe. So this guy is a little hard. When you squeeze it, it's definitely got quite a bit of firmness left. This guy's starting to get a little soft. So it's not mushy, but it is just like you'd want your tomato to be. These are super easy to eat. You can really eat them like an apple. But all you have to do is slice into the center. And I personally like to cut mine up like I would cut up an apple. They are sweet, almost like honey is sweet. They've got that like rich, unctuous sweetness to them. They're slightly floral almost. Just wonderful. If you've not tried one before, definitely give it a try. You won't regret it.